How to set up the heating or cooling mode on the iT500. This video will show you how to set up the heating or cooling mode. On the thermostat, press and hold the settings and up arrow icons at the same time. The screen will now display two house icons and a tap icon, all flashing. Press the tick icon to enter the settings menu. The screen will now display the zone in use. Press the tick icon to enter the heat or cool mode options. Press the arrow icons to select the heat or cool mode. Heat mode is indicated by a flame, and cool mode is indicated by a fan. Press tick to confirm. Repeatedly press the tick icon until you reach the home screen.